Today we're going to talk about toothbrushing in dogs. Probably 70 to 80% of all the pets that I see on routine exams have some degree of dental disease, dental calculus or gingivitis. And when you think about it, most people floss and brush more than once a day. Many dogs don't floss at all and never brush. And so it's fairly common for them to accumulate tartar. Once tartar accumulates, dogs usually need professional dental care to remove the tartar. Once the tartar is removed, or ideally before it ever forms in the first place, it would be very nice to brush their teeth with some regularity in an effort to keep the food particles and the early bacterial plaque off the teeth before it turns into calculus. And so what I'm going to do today is just show you guys a couple ways to brush the teeth. Elaine, if you'll bring her out.
Okay.
If you want to start and you don't want to get very heavily invested in equipment, an easy way to start initially is to use a piece of gauze and actually wrap it around your finger to form a brush. And the gauze is a little bit rough. What you can do is actually moisten the gauze with a little water, and you can either use just the water on the gauze or a little baking soda as a dentifrice. Dogs' tartar accumulates on the outsides of their teeth. Their problem areas are over their canine teeth, the long teeth in the front, and their premolars and molars in the back. And so you don't need to open their mouth, and you do not need to brush the insides of their teeth. Just going up along the surface near the gums and rubbing, and in the cheek pouch to rub on that upper fourth premolar. And you can actually see, you may or may not be able to see the brown that we just easily wiped off that tooth on Miss Daisy. And then switching and putting it on the other hand and rubbing on the outside like that will help to remove those food particles and bacteria that start to make the plaque. Now that's a good starter. If you want to get a little bit more sophisticated, my favorite toothbrush for dogs is this finger cot. And it goes on the finger, and that allows a lot of mobility. With a toothbrush in the handle, it's a little awkward to hold the brush and hold the dog. And again, you can use baking soda, water, or they actually make flavored dog and cat toothpastes. This can be done with cooperative cats as well. And you just want to rub gently on the outsides. And you can do the incisors, like that. And then up in the cheek pouch, taking care to keep your fingers on the outside of the dog's teeth. You do not want to try to brush the insides of the teeth. You're going to end up with sore fingers. And then following that up with a nice treat and a pat will help to make your dog look forward to that. And I have some clients that actually have their dogs look forward and ask to have their teeth brushed every day. There is a ton of information on the internet. My favorite website is called veterinarypartner.com that has some demonstrations on how to brush teeth and the importance of dental health. And there are tons and tons of products on the market. CET is one of the better companies that makes doggy toothpaste, and it comes in different flavors. There's chicken flavor, liver flavor. This is a vanilla mint flavor. You do not want to use people toothpaste on dogs because it foams and dogs swallow it, and it will sometimes foam and make them nauseous and vomit. For dogs that have problem gingivitis, we sometimes use oral rinses such as this, and this is a zinc vitamin C rinse. But that should be used basically under the direction of your veterinarian if your individual animal needs that.